Well, I know somebody's going to ask, so we'll make this its own video, which is how do you straighten out a steel frame when it's bent like that, Patrick? So there's a couple ways you can do it. If you have a vise, which ours is taken off because the other table's over there now, you can put it in a vise, and sometimes the vise is wide enough, like a 4-inch vise, that it basically equalizes this area. The other way to do it is put it on the table edge and then hit it with a soft blow mallet until you feel like it's bent back into a straight. You can just look at it from the eyeball. You can just eyeball it like that, and you can go, yes, it's straight, or yes, it's not. Either way, it doesn't matter because it's got a gasket, so it's not going to cause any problems for alignment. And it's not going to, because of the gasket, it's not going to cause any problems for sealing, for airtight. So, redoing a PW series from Recoil. I think, yeah, we got the coils now for dual 4 on that one. And what happened to the other terminal? Oh, the other terminal's over there. We'll have to put another one back on. Thanks, guys.